Hello all of you. Today the Marketing Tool channel is back to share with everyone. A supporting software on the TikTok platform helps us increase likes automatically. This is a software installed on the computer. The mechanism of action is to use your TikTok accounts to like the videos you want. You will need to buy a 1-year license or a lifetime license to use it. When you buy, you can contact me directly. WhatsApp 849-8999-0368 or Telegram at HOANGTRUNG748. I will guide everyone to install and use to automatically like TikTok. Everyone go to the seating function section, select the video seating section. I will install the basic parameters. I only need to install it once. The software will automatically save for future operations. Now select the video you want to increase likes. For example, I will choose any video on TikTok. Choose any one video. Click on the video and copy the video link. Switch to the software side. Please paste the video link. Then you choose some accompanying items. For example, I set the video to watch for about 15 to 20 seconds. How much depends on everyone. If everyone wants to comment or follow the video, I can do it. If you want to do any job, choose that job. If people want to comment, I can write the comment content here in the format. Next, I will select the TikTok account I have logged in the software. Here I have many accounts. I use these accounts of mine to like the videos I want. Then I click Start and everyone watched. When the software works, it will log into the list of TikTok accounts included in the software. These TikTok accounts will post videos that people want to increase likes. First, it will watch the video first for the amount of time you set, which is 10 to 15 seconds. After that, it will proceed with liking and subsequent activities such as commenting. Once an account has completed all your requirements, in addition to the above features, the software has many other features that can support everyone very well for the platform and TikTok. Operation is very simple. When purchasing, installation and usage instructions will be provided. You can contact me directly. WhatsApp 849-8999-0368 or Telegram at HOANGTRUNG748. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hello and see you again in the next videos.